Me say me want somebody call the government down there. I true me not there Jamaica, else me that call my friend, we're a politician. I true me not there Jamaica to tell them say check out CuteBoss selling dash rebellion pill. And Andrew work on the population of Jamaica and CuteBoss stand up in the government way. I true me not there Jamaica. Wait CuteBoss, you have to go slow down on that too. Me tell you say my aunt to you like a Matlock Perry Mason. When you talk about people broke, CuteBoss, if this is a broke life, I am comfortable. One thing with me, from me born until now, I wasn't boastful. Ask anybody about me. See, I'm a friend Renee Depan yesterday. Ask her, I never boastful yet. When you say, why you not open one theater, then you never able Happy Corner production. You never able Happy Corner Productions, CuteBoss. Jet Li always dead in the show. And I don't know why Shaggy Jet Li bad day. CuteBoss, I'm not the one. Jet Li is. You can't size up with me, CuteBoss. But put on a production, man, and make we laugh over here, so. Over here, so? Over here, so you still a look freeness. The funny part about life, my comedic skills, you have to pay me for it. You have to pay me for it, CuteBoss. So when you say put on a production and make you laugh over here, so go suck your mother, CuteBoss. You think you can use my gifts? Eh? Go name out your dead mother where you make dead from hunger. You think you can use my gift? Huh? Where you really say out of your mouth? You not tell me say him broke. Me might book my fridge full of food and I have 2 fridge. How much you have? You don't even have 1. You have to store juice in a people fridge for your son. All I know, you don't know the value of life, you know, my baby. All I know, you don't know the value of life. Me tell you, say you talk about Jai. Show a picture with you and Jai. Jai is not picturesque. My mother not photogenic. You photogenic with your bad skin. So you deal with the net. Yeah. You must think so they can't draw me out to do things or showcase things. You're mad. Down to the same girl when you Rosalie will pay you for come cost me. You know she said for her life she have to confess. She said one thing with Shebada you can't get him for do what him no want do. If she know why me should have pay all you mind. Come on baby girl. I say my ear just in my back. Make it make sense. Exactly. Exactly. Show me one somebody on the library more creative than me in a comedy. Show me one somebody in the Jamaican TikTok so we're more comedic than me on the app. Show me. Just come up and show me. Just come up and show me one somebody that is authentic and original and extremely witty and funny. Show me. You see, when you can't do that, then you can argue with me. You can't argue with me none tall, Anna. Tell her. Yeah. Big Jula here. Hey, show me. You talk about a whole heap of comedian over here, so I would use nobody from half a TikTok in my production. You mad? They are not funny. The difference between standing up on the corner and giving joke and going on stage are 2 different something that are much you never know. Can you make people laugh in sequence? No. So when you're still gonna talk, you just show yourself. But I stand up for humanity and you collect money for cuss people. Which part of the humanity you stand up for? That's why I'm no boast and go on, but you know. That's why I'm no boast and go on, but you see humility make no question if people have it or don't have it. Humility. Humility. Imagine your son a prostitute a foreign and a TikTok to make you go in a one Airbnb. Make it make sense. I just try help you out in the argument. I want to showcase our talent. Me showcase my talent. What is your talent, CuteBoss? A bad wall and a batty man son? You come for shit up Jamaica? Show your pom pom. Your body are working in reverse. Yeah, the abortion pill selling lady. CuteBoss seller. Me say me want somebody call the government down there. I told me that they are Jamaica, else me that call my friend, we're a politician, I told me there Jamaica to tell them say check out CuteBoss selling dash belly peel. And Andrew work on the population of Jamaica and CuteBoss stand up in the government way. Eh? I told me there Jamaica, wait CuteBoss, you have to go slow down on that too. Me tell you say my aunt to you like a Matlock, Perry Mason, Cadney and Lacey. Me don't know who else to call, you know. So when you sit down and attack, you should never collect money for argue with me. Cause you're no match for me. You are no match, my baby. Me just go and entertain you because me don't want you run over the cliff. Sometimes when me not pay no mind, I don't want to hang on yourself. You never know. So you sit down, you get up from morning attack, so feel yes so sad. Yes so. I drink a cup of tea before I come on live, but when I come up live, I go get something to eat. How about you? How about you? Because if you don't get too money gun for dry it right away, you can't go shop go buy a party. Me don't know why you so broke and not talk about say people broke, CuteBoss. You don't know nothing about me. Cause me never change my liberty yet. The only thing me change is my clothes. Then she be buy two of them feel from no. I'm glad me born with a built-in turn back. Me glad me born with a built-in turn back. Tummy flat. Yeah. Tummy flat. Tummy flat no blow. Yeah. And CuteBoss want to argue with me. Yeah. And your belly a spill. Your belly a spill. You know your tight suit where you claim to say extra small. CuteBoss, you're the only one me say about extra small and stand up so. Yeah people. And a drop. Because your belly are push down the waist. Your belly are take off the tights. Your belly are take off the tights. It's not your size. Ask anybody. You have to hold the phone up so one at a time. Because you know when we see the show you. And you are the only girl when we see fat take off your clothes off of you. Wear your size. Young girl, wear your size. Because if you don't take shitty advice, girl don't know who they get. I saw stitches thing. Me I forgot ask her if she ship the dash belly pill. Me I forgot ask her. Of course, me go drive them in a depression, Jamaican bad boy, and that me I do CuteBoss. And that me I do, I say the lady wrenching shot in head, no need to ball, no need to beg, a gangster no spin a lead. Come on, me say I touch the pan live. CuteBoss, you not have headache. No, you say you have migraine. You swing your head this morning, you know, buddy. You swing your head this morning, you know. CuteBoss me have your week, you know. Me say CuteBoss cost like primary school. CuteBoss cost like primary school. A baby now to kill it. Me lick your back already. You not get none of my lunch. I saw CuteBoss I cost this man, you know. Miss J.M. you have to look on CuteBoss so and say watch the handicapper come out of the lady. Watch the handicapper come out of the lady. I mean make CuteBoss can show her leg yeah, so. Me make CuteBoss can do live so. CuteBoss a pay passport size live you giving. Yeah, you gotta take out your passport. Cause I pay passport size picture live yeah though. I pay passport size picture live. Half of your body cut off. And you tell me say me can't cut 10. Half of your body cut off. The camera just rest right here so. Yeah, like you do. Shoulder move. Come to the shoulder move. Yeah. Discover your reach. I pay passport size live you to come across about your body. You never know. Me say you sit down for the live this morning and me and Brina just a laugh. We laugh. Your body no good. Your body no this. Your body no that. Your body no hey. And your son a whore and can't send you $50 for cook Sunday dinner. Red light, pepper light, blue light, pink light. Then pepper spray CuteBoss. Oh. I say go Google your skin, you know. Go Google your skin. Leave K alone. You just a walk a ton the tenders of TikTok. I love it. Shebada is not at peace with himself and me a glow. Remember me never come here so come tell you say me a glow, you know. I only say me a glow, you know. Cause all I know me can't see the glow. Me know me have the glow. But I could see the glow. So CuteBoss, if me is not at peace with myself and everybody pan live a testify say me a glow, why you not glow? And you peaceful, you see? Why you not glow, my baby? Make it, that's what me tell you, say, this morning me and Brina just a laugh off of you. Me and Brina just a laugh. Yeah, Brina, you there? You there? You there? Eh? I'm the only one who say I have AIDS and I look better than one, you know, so how it work? How it work, and that I want to know, how it work, because when I say I have AIDS, you know, but yet still, boy, I look for me, eh? And I ask does the man me alone take out a one community to how good my whole be. So the whole of them not supposed to look for me like that, me know, forgive me 6 love. No, me not understand, Miss J.A. Where your blood bad and your skin looks so? And your skin looks so? Where you this and you that and I wanna live under filter? Oh my God, Jamaica mash up. Make it make sense. We don't have no argument for us, Nina, because guess what? I recycle argument to now come with. Every day at the same thing. And we don't have no proof. And me have only proof but when you come and mash up your seafood business. Shebada! Sit and knock out your 10. Me well poise. Ask anybody about me. And that's why man always attracted to me. Because them say, no man, you're girly. I have to cross my legs and lock up my foot. I have to cross my legs and lock up my foot. I have to sit properly. I have to sit down properly. You need to try this, CuteBoss. Try and close your leg without your pum pum stink. Try this. You never know. You can't even try this. You can't even sit down and come so CuteBoss. Little and neat and cute. Little and neat and cute. When I tap my face and I tap my wheels. Eh? You know much people that like to can't sit down so and a stool me there. A stool. Me sit down sup on a stool, CuteBoss. Everything all on the stool. CuteBoss, you know see how I walk? Me no walk sluggish like you. Me no walk sluggish like you, me walk well poised, me always dep on the runway. Ask anybody about me. Me take care of my shape. Bad to bird. Me take care of my shape. Well poised. Make it make sense. People, you know, say every minute him have to dep on. All in a plane, people get up and stand up. You think a bus. Them walk from the bathroom to them seat, from the seat to them bathroom. Ask anybody. When only can sit down and catch body sore all long, not me. Not me after me in a cadet. Eh? You ever see me from my life and nobody there on up 2, 3, 4. Never. Healthy and active. Remember say them sluggish and luggish. Healthy and active. Me don't know how you do it. Exactly. I can be Googled. Thank you. But can TikTok boss? No. So when you want to cuss people about things, for a big woman you do have nothing in life. And that we are talking about, we still not talk about nothing. Because you shouldn't make a careless girl like me have 2 fridge over you. Because make a talk ghetto. You shouldn't make a careless girl like me have 2 fridge over you standing and lying down. You're very bougie. Standing and lying down. You should never do that. Then what you gonna cuss me about? Then if me broke to the point where me hungry, me not can sell one of my fridge them. Assets I sell art, people I sell juice and ice. Come now. Come now. Come now, CuteBoss. I said me can't follow up your cussing. Me don't know who I pay to come at me, but you now win. All of you gonna be in blank bullet. But and the boy from Maxfield, half dozen boys. A singular subject takes a singular verb, but when you look at my crutches, it's a plural. So a plural subject have to take a plural verb. Come the man, boys. Yeah. They say they check out Google for TikTok for what's your name? They say still searching. You can't come home, my baby. Go back in. Go back in because me alone make you get up 6 o'clock. until you chum frat. Me don't know how you do it in your old stage, you know, but you need something warm on your stomach. Me say you argue so till you have favor come porridge. You argue so till your mouth can't favor come porridge. I never see this yet. Yesterday morning, I have you fart up yourself. Yesterday, I have you on live, I fart up yourself. And they never pack out the Airbnb before you go in. Quality academic, rep. What you mean? Eh? I have you yesterday a fart up yourself on live. I'm have you today a fart up yourself. A F square me I give F to the second power. And that me I give. Yeah. And me alone have them the powers there. Me make you talk till you fart. Me make you talk till you sod. Talk till you fart and talk till you fart. Me alone. So when you want to fabricate stories and bomb man, make up your mind. Make up your mind, CuteBoss. Make up your mind. Come on, in anybody's rightful mind. How can you ask one person to buy the same thing 3 times in a 1 month when one of them 30-pound cylinder they can last you for more than a month? One of them 30-pound cylinder, where you get your cylinder argument from? And so low you go for argue? No, but I don't understand where you get that from. Ask anybody from here so live at Jamaica and use 30-pound cylinder and don't have picnic or cook for. I want to know if somebody depend here so. Can the love want? Money if one person depend here so. My mom. 4 months. See there? See there? And the care how hard you cook now your cylinder serve you. So, on a serious note now. How could you go to the same individual 3 times in a 1 month for the same thing? All 25 pounds, you see it there? So CuteBoss, make your talk make sense. Someone who walk and tell lie like dog. You understand about, I true me no want to call the girl name. Girl. If they tell it to one boy, girl, and she not ask me where my bottom give me, girl, and the child up tell you say, no, she gonna do this for her mother, huh? No, Miss J.A. Me not bake. Me not bake. You understand me? Girl. Actually, I don't want to have some things from the app. Shebada, you ever give nobody $2,000 yet? I'm a business, you want to know. I'm a business, you want to know. Exactly. Could you hear Shebby? You ever get up and give nobody nothing yet? Me no Mother Teresa, not Father Olang. When me I walk and get up and feed Jamaica for, make that make sense. You will never know what I do for people. You will never know what I do for people. Remember on a kiss and tell. Remember on a kiss and tell because when I look validation, I come with my own validation. When I look validation. The funny part about me and Uno, me don't remember what I do for people. People remember what I do for them. Uno remember what Uno do for people because Uno write down things. Me don't remember what I do for people. Ask Apicana, sometimes people say, you don't remember me? You don't remember when you did me? When I go say for me, remember the good things they want to do for people. When God put you in a position to bless others, you don't keep memory of it. And that's the difference between me and the whole of Uno. So you see, so when you try cuss, you now make sense. If you have a big handicap on the life, your orange son for call you and tell you, say, mommy, you now make sense. And it's just the truth. If you just call you and tell you, no, Alicia, it's true. If you just call her and say, mommy, you nah, because you nah make sense. You say your son a whore, and the whole internet, you say your son sell body, and I him tell you about it, and you know about your son being a whore overseas. Alright, fine. Remember, I'm embarrassed upon life when it was Sunday you want to cook, and him could even send you $50. Then how much him batter produce? A trials. So I don't know what she say. I'm a business you want to know. And my business, you want to know, Shebada, you can't walk on the road. I wasn't a road runner. That's the difference between me and Uno. I was never a road runner. Funny enough, I'm born in the inner city, I'm a road runner. You know, so when time me boss and I work with stages, it's when me start walk up and down in a Franklin town. Somebody look at me and say, Shebada, me not used to you doing this. Me not used to you doing this. Me never see I walk up and down in a Franklin town, so yet I wasn't a road runner. I go in a yard, you know, all when it didn't have no gate. I go inside. You never know that? Eh? You never know that, CuteBoss? All when the yard didn't have no gate, I go inside. Ask them until now. You can't get me which part every jump on a beat. I'm not like that. And you can't make me be that. Ask them. Me there a lot of foreign and people that invite me a party and the whole cast gone on me inside. From Bashment Granny one. Ask Trevor. See there Franklin Tony Ark Street. I wasn't a walkabout. I was never a walkabout. Me always like the crowd in front of me. Gate discover. Me always like the crowd in front of me gate. Me have that energy where me not have to walk come look for you. You have to miss me and come look for me. So make your argument plausible. Well enough for you now, because I'm not going to live for you, because I drink my energy. Alright, me I send them with you. No, if I send them for sure. Get her address and send them. She sell that Shebby pill in the inner city. And you know we in the inner city as you talk about sex we breed. Okay. So oh nothing now come. Oh nothing now drop. Any kids? Any children? Me right that peer adult. Sure.